Hello, my name is Alceu. I'm a PhD student at UFSCar and I'm going to present my master project, which was called Formation and Maintenance of Equivalence Classes, Effects of the Magnitude of Consequence in a Gamified Procedure. So first, I'm going to show some studies that verify the use of punishment in discriminative learning. Some from the decade of 60s showing that the discriminations are applied faster when punishment for errors is used, and others recently showed that punishment helps in the discrimination of contingency change. Based on these assumptions, my question was, what is the effect of using punishment in conditional discrimination training in lecture sample? And to test this, I manipulated different magnitudes of punishment and reinforcement. 56 participants volunteered for the experiment, and I used the software Minor Troubles, a gamified match-to-sample procedure. The game worked like that. Minor, the main character of the game, got in the sample room, in which there was a door presenting the simple stimulus of the MTS drive. The participants control the Minor to open the door and to follow for the next room. In comparison room, they should open one out of 3 doors. Each of the doors presented a comparison stimulus. If the participants choose the door with the correct stimulus, he would find a diamond and follow for the next drive. If the participants choose the door with the incorrect stimulus, there were no diamonds in the corridor and Minor would fall in a pit, beginning the training blocks all over again. The participants were divided into 3 groups. In group more points, participants won 4 diamonds when they chose the correct stimulus and lost 1 diamond if they chose the incorrect stimulus. In group balanced, they won 1 diamond if they selected correctly and lost 1 diamond if they selected incorrectly. And in group less points, they won 1 diamond if they selected correctly and lost 4 diamonds if they selected incorrectly. I've selected only one data to present in the results. The criteria to finish the data collection was that 10 participants reached the criteria in the final test, but the number of participants in each group that participated until the group reaches this number varied. Here, in black, it is the participants that reached the criteria in the final test, and in gray, the participants that did not reach the criteria. We can see clearly that group less points had a bigger number of participants that did not reach the criteria when compared to the other groups. So first, Minor Trouble software was able to train and test the relations in the experiment, and proportionally, group less points had fewer participants that reached the criteria. So it is likely that the more intense punishment disrupted the participants' learning. However, the use of mild punishment can help learn, as an example of groups more points and balanced. The experiment opens the possibility of exploring punishment in conditional discrimination and the use of a gamified procedure. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please contact me by my email.